Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the energy cell's charge and condition so you avoid damage. Check labeling and voltage. Once done, isolate the device power and don safety gear to prevent shorts. Make sure to orient the cell to the alignment notch and gently slide it into the port until the locking tab clicks. This secures contact. You'll feel slight resistance. Don't force it. If the cell won't seat, stop and recheck orientation and debris in the socket before continuing. Once the cell is physically seated, engage the lock and confirm the device shows the correct status light or readout so you know connections are good. Next, let the device perform its handshake and calibration. This ensures cell chemistry is recognized and balancing begins. Make sure to select the appropriate charge and discharge profile, set cutoffs and current limits to match the cell specs. If the system allows, monitor temperature and voltage during the first cycle to verify stable operation and proper communication. You finish by running a controlled test cycle to validate performance. Watch voltage, current, and temperature for anomalies. Once results are normal, reinstall protective covers and record the cell serial and initial readings for maintenance tracking. Make sure to schedule regular monitoring intervals and balancing cycles to extend life. If something goes wrong, uneven voltage, high temp, or no recognition, immediately power down, inspect contacts and firmware, and if problems persist, swap the cell with a known good unit to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.